Today, I'm at Castlemoat Place, conveniently located within Taunton Town Centre, and I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this one double-bedroom, third-floor apartment, complete with balcony and offered to the market with the added benefit of no onward chain. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely apartment, or maybe evaluation of your own property, then please do get in touch.